This is Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Halo Kang, Pak.
Hello.
This is Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. It's if you want to see all about Indonesia, the house and this place. And then
all species.
Yes, all.
Not only animal, but
Yeah,
also
but not animal, just the culture.
traditional houses.
Wow.
And many more. Yeah.
Yes,
I love it.
We call it miniature park of Indonesia.
Yes. You
National
never
park.
come to here?
No.
Okay, just looking around. But this place is bird park.
Yeah.
Bird.
In here we have theme park or animal park. We have birds, we have reptiles, freshwater aquarium, and also insect park.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Biasa tuh?
Aku ini nggak bisa ya?
Itu bisa.
Aku ini aja.
Enggak ini.
Ya.
Ini nggak nyala juga ini.
This is the back of house of our bird park.
Oh, what is going on?
Yeah, and in here
Stop
we
it.
have.
Stop it right now.
Yeah.
Get out of here. No, don't stop. Don't stop it. God.
Okay.
What?
Yes. Tamiga. Jawa.
Look.
Merinding.
Yeah, the first one we would like to show you is our Javan hawk eagles. Yeah, Javan hawk eagle is apa namanya, lambang Indonesia?
Ya, Indonesian Garuda Indonesia.
Apa? Symbol of Indonesia.
Wow.
Animal symbol of Indonesia.
Looks like a harpy eagle.
It's like that.
Yeah, looks
Yeah.
like one.
And Taman Mini baby.
Yeah, in here we already succeed to breed the Javan hawk eagles. This is our second babies.
Wow. Two
From
generations.
from 2022.
Get out of here.
Last year. We name it Rex.
What a good.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Yep.
For sure. Always.
Bawa sarung lagi.
Oh, sarung dari bagus. Mobil.
Oh.
Iya. Forget about
Ya.
lahir di Taman Mini, ya, bertelur dan menetas Taman Mini, dan ini pertama kali di handle seperti ini. Ya.
Untuk edukasi.
Untuk edukasi ya udah deh, karena biasa tidak ada yang seperti ini. This is the first time.
Really?
It's for you.
Oh my
It's your
God.
moment.
Iya.
This is the national bird of Indonesia.
Yes.
Wow.
In Indonesia we call it Garuda.
Garuda. Guys, look at Garuda, the national bird of Indonesia. It looks like and resembles a harpy eagle, but it's not, of course. But man, look at this
Beta
bird.
cari gambar
Two
Garuda.
generations, F2, since 2020, right?
Yep.
Wow, they bred this bird 2 times in captivity. Look at this, man. A specimen. Look at the talons on him. Look at the beak. Look at the fro. Oh my God.
It's handsome, right?
Handsome. Beautiful bird. Hi, buddy. I would kiss you, but you would rip my lips off. I'm not
Dia
kissing
mesti sama
him.
dicium.
iya,
Isi
iya.
warisan nih. Biar dicium sama dia. Anak.
Wow. Look at that.
Yeah. I show you the Garuda. It's Garuda. It's Indonesia.
So-
He's from that bird.
Since our elementary school,
Yeah.
we learn about our national symbol.
Wow.
Garuda.
Garuda.
Yeah, Garuda.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sick. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Good boy. Good
Oh.
boy.
Gosh, bro.
Keren nih.
I love it.
Garuda. Elang Jawa di alamnya sudah sangat susah sekali.
Ya, betul.
Hampir punah. Jadi di sini kita support supaya bisa dikembangbiakan. Ini salah satu buktinya. Iya. Oke.
Congratulations, man.
And after day 1, belum yakin banget. Good boy. Dicekrem tanggung sendiri ya.
The bird whisperer.
Dicekrem tanggung sendiri. Oke.
Ini apa ini?
Yes.
Elang laut.
Yeah, this is white belly sea eagle.
White belly sea eagle.
White-bellied sea eagle.
Di-hold dulu ya, talinya itu.
I want that guy over there.
Diajarin aja.
I want that one over there.
Ya.
Yeah.
Udah nggak usah ini aja deh. Nggak usah. You want the
Yeah.
langkong?
Yeah. Can I hold him? Yeah. Wow! Look at that animal.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah,
I
this
never
is
even
an
seen
Indonesian
it.
species.
I don't even know what it is.
Yeah.
What is this? Like a hornbill
hornbill.
species?
Yes.
Yeah, rated hornbill.
Wow.
Yeah.
Greater hornbill.
Rated.
Red hornbill. God. Yeah. It's okay, buddy.
Come on.
Okay. That's 1, 2.
Wow.
Wow.
Mudah dia.
The greater hornbill. Dog. What is that? I love hornbills, man. Look at that animal. Look at the eyelashes.
Yes,
on
the
it.
eye.
The throat. The pupils dilate. Oh, look at that hair. Look at the hair. God. Bro, this thing is sick.
Yeah.
God, it's sick.
This is still juvenile, and
They get bigger.
when they
Yeah,
get
it's
bigger
bigger.
and adult, the pouch, guttural pouch, change the color.
Turn red.
No, not turn red.
Blue.
The male one turn yellow, and the female turn blue.
Wow. Good luck.
Yeah.
The king is coming over with a pelican.
Help that. Hit me.
You're eating your head. This is great stuff, man. Oh. Bro, you're holding the pelican.
I know when he's a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know when he's baby. Hello. Hi. Their name is
Okay.
Soleh.
Soleh.
You wanna try?
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah.
I take care of the hornbill. Come on, up. Come on, up. Okay. Sip.
Sini.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whoa.
Guys, check out this pelican. Sick animal. Sudi, the name?
Soleh.
Soleh Wati.
Soleh the pelican. Look at that throat go, guys. Wow. Look at that. Oh, he's gonna eat me. He's gonna eat me.
The keeper, kamu
Epic.
pernah masuk ya? Head of keeper
Put it inside your head.
inside. Iya. Makin mukanya jelek karena itu.
Demonstration.
Oh, dari sebelumnya. That's why he's ugly.
Oh God. Bro, guys, check out this pelican. Indonesian pelican.
Yang bisa
Bukan ya,
dikeluarin
Dok?
Angel
Ini
apa
bukan
Arnold?
Indonesia Pelican ya, Dok? Dokter?
Dia di Indonesia ada, tapi burung migran.
Ya, this is migre.
Ya.
Immigrant. So not Indonesian pelican, but
Australian pelican.
There's
Australian pelican.
Yeah, but we
This
can
like
found it on Papua.
Papua.
Yeah, they migrate
Bro,
from
look at
Australia
this
to Papua.
animal. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. You go. You go. Look at him go. You're okay. I'm not gonna drop you. Guys.
I teach him swim.
Yeah.
But he can't.
No swimming. Bad teacher.
Bad teacher.